Hi everybody and welcome to this Korg Minilog XD video. Today we're going to check out this synth and see what it sounds like in a musical context. My name is Matthias. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's take the tour! Yeah, so I really like the sound of the Korg Minilog XD. It has two analog oscillators and a third digital oscillator. And you can install third-party plugins for the oscillator and for the effect section. In the effects you have a modulation, reverb, delays with different types of these effects. The filter is a 12 dB low-pass filter, which can be anywhere from smooth to more gritty, since you have three different dry modes for the filter. Then we can do FM and many types of synthesis. And the Minilog has this oscilloscope built in, so you can see the wave shapes when you are creating your sounds, which is very nice. So all in all, I think this is a great package and bang for the buck. And if you have any questions on the Minilog XD, please shoot them in the comment section below. I try to answer to all comments. And if you have any requests and want me to showcase a specific feature of the Minilog XD, you can also write that in the comment section below. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Also go to morningdewmedia.com and sign up for the Morning Dew Media weekly newsletter. And by doing so, you will get the free Creative Booster Guide. Okay, now you can continue and watch my next video. My name is Matthias. See you in the next video. Bye!